Are you tired of feeling lost in the business jungle? Do you want a digital wing it approach and develop a winning strategy to conquer your market? Well, this course is your secret weapon. We'll equip you with the most powerful business models and frameworks used by industry leaders. But it's not just theory. You'll get hands-on exercises to tailor your frameworks to your specific business. Here's what you'll unleash in this course. We're gonna take a look at actionable frameworks. Learn the how-to behind frameworks like the Blue Ocean Strategy, the Business Model Canvas, and the SWOT analysis. Market domination strategies. Discover how to identify your competitive edge, target the right audience, and build a sustainable growth engine. Real-world applications. Put theory into practice with practical exercises that help you adapt these frameworks to your unique business goals. And breakthrough results. Gain the clarity and confidence to make strategic decisions that propel your business to the top of its game. This course is perfect for entrepreneurs and business owners ready to take their venture to the next level. For marketing professionals seeking to develop data-driven strategies for market domination, and anyone who wants to gain a strategic edge and outshine the competition. Stop surviving, start thriving. Enroll now and unlock the frameworks for your business success.